Now I am going to show you an illustration linking Alvars, Nayanars with Vaishnavacharyas and Saivacharyas. Bhakti in South. Bhakti in South during medieval times is marked by these 6 trends: Alvars, Nayanars, Vaishnavacharyas, Saivacharyas, Virsaivas, also known as Lingayats, and Haridasas. First two, Alvars and Nayanars, I have already discussed in the previous lecture. Alvars and Nayanars represent Bhakti saints and poets, and they emerged in ancient times. But they required mention here also because they continued for some period in the early medieval. And Alvars and Nayanars had created the ground for a trend of Bhakti, what is known as South Indian Bhakti, and sometimes Tamil Bhakti, because the trend was mainly associated with the Tamil region. And the Alvars and Nayanars movement represent the early movements of South Indian Bhakti. And the trend of Alvars and Nayanars was carried forward by 3 and 4. That is Vaishnavacharyas and Saivacharyas. Now I am going to show you an illustration linking Alvars, Nayanars with Vaishnavacharyas and Saivacharyas. And I will be also throwing light on that who were Vaishnavacharyas and Saivacharyas and how they were different from Alvars and Nayanars.